how are you? Welcome to the Brothers Clash YouTube channel. I'm doing some maintenance on my AC filter. It does smell a little bit, so I'll be spraying it down with Lysol. That is the first plastic piece that I took off. It goes pinned up against those yellow pegs. I am not a tech, so I was learning and doing at the same time. That's why everything's already off, but I will show you guys how to put it back together. It's only 3 parts. That plastic piece, that bolt, that goes to another plastic piece that hides the AC filter behind it, or the cabin filter behind it. I already took that apart, and I'm using a microphone because my microphone on the camera is making a weird noise. Nothing seems to be working right. I will be spraying it down with Lysol, everything that I can make the air circulate, the cabin filter, and the exterior vents. I'll be spraying them down with some Lysol just to kind of maybe put a little patch on it. It might help, it might not. It seems like the filter itself is not too dirty, but it does have some mold on it, and I kind of have an idea where the mold might be coming from. I'm not sure yet. Like I said, I'm not a tech, so I'm just kind of learning and doing at the same time. If you guys have any comments and anything you want to leave me behind there, just go to the comment section. I'll read through it. These are the vents on the outside that seem to be circulating the air from outside to the interior. I'm going to be spraying those down with some Lysol. Hopefully it'll get throughout the whole AC system and might help, or stop some of the mold for me. If there is mold in there, I'll show you guys where the AC filter goes so you guys can see how damp it is in there. It's a lot of humidity coming out of that piece right there where the filter goes in. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. If there's some sort of drain plug that I'm supposed to look for, let me know. It'd be very helpful. All right, get in there, boy. Get in there. All right, that's in. Turns out, like an idiot, I was putting this piece facing the wrong way. Now I just gotta bolt it on right there. This one's gonna be a bitch too. So as you could probably tell, where the AC filter goes, I found a bunch of humidity, just water all over the place. It seems to be getting into my AC filter, and because I let the car sit for a couple of days, it's probably creating mold in it. This is the second time I've replaced a filter, or that I have to replace a filter. The first time was done by the dealership. So I'm guessing, trying to find out if this is a isolated issue that I'm having, or are there any other Ford Focuses out there having this issue with the AC. Feel around. Oops. Turning this shit into an accordion. I didn't break that.